Qatar has developed significantly in the last 40 years from a very basic community that lived 100% and depended 100% on the pearl trading and pearl fishing to a completely different city, one of the most organized, civilized, and sophisticated cities. The Qatar National Vision 2030 is basically how to transform the economy from fully dependent on oil and gas to an economy that depending on knowledge, depending on renewable energy, sustainable economy model for a country. So Volvo Construction Equipment is a major player in that vision. Oracle is the heavy equipment arm of our group of companies. Oracle and Volvo Construction Equipment are supplying major contractors who work in the market, who work in the country for the infrastructure, something like the new roads, something like the new metro. What differentiates Oracle from competition is a perfect match between Volvo Construction Equipment, that's famous for quality, and Al Fardan and Oracle, that's famous for luxury and customer care. Reputation makes our customers happy and makes us different from anyone else.
We are as active contracting and import. We do a lot of good job in excavation and crusher work, and some of the project we work in recently, the railway or subway, and the World Cup, one of the stadium of the World Cup 2022. Mainly we deal with Volvo, and we have loyalty with this company. We found Volvo as an excavator. It's quality-wise and price. It's very good to use. Also, the very important part for the local markets, the distributor Volvo, they make very good service for us, and we are very happy with the excavators, and really we are very happy with this company. Perfect quality with very good service.
يعني أنا من بعد خبرة 20 سنة بالفولفو شفت إنه الفولفو لقدام وللأحسن كرمال هيك كنت حبيت ضل بالفولفو. والفولفو يعني بتشوف الكاستمر تبعها بتضل حده بالسراء والضراء، مش إنه بتتركه بلحظة. والشباب اللي هن الديلر هن بقطر كمان وحتى بلبنان كمان بيتطلعوا بالفولفو كأنه الشركة لإلهم مش بس ديلر. ونحن بنصير كلنا بهالشكل، جذبونا نكون كلنا فولفو، كلنا اخوه بالفولفو. يعني ما بتحس حالك فايت على شركه انت كاستمر، بس بتحس حالك فايت على شركه كانه لإلك.
We are involved in the construction of a 200-kilometer highway around Doha, from north to south of Doha. This project is one part of the national vision project for 2030 of the Qatar. And in this huge project, we have one section and one part of around 47 kilometers. The highway is a 14-lane highway with 7 lanes both sides, 5 lanes for the light vehicles, and 2 separate lanes for the trucks. So we have, in addition of the carriageway, around 6 major interchange to build.
We have 10 excavator Volvo, 9 wheel loader Volvo, and 12 motor grader. We'll use all this machine mainly for excavation. We have a good support from Araco. They are able to bring solution as soon as possible every time. Volvo machines are very reliable. We are used to work with Volvo machines. That's why we make this choice. We have all the support from Volvo. We have all the documentation. And I think we'll reach the target of this site on time.
Here the building marine for Coast Guard. Approximately 3 months finish this project. Volvo machine quality, very beautiful. Power, very beautiful. Speed, very beautiful. Also, this Volvo machine, hydraulic flower, this very high. You work this machine, clamshell, no problem. Bucket, no problem. Broker, no problem. Dredger, no problem. Broken, no problem. Cutting, no problem. Maybe I buy more, inshallah. I have machine 240, 250, 300, 460, and 480, and the loader 150. I have excavator 18 and the loader 6. The Volvo dealer are like the brother or friend or no only business. This same all family, our same sister company. This very beautiful guy.
Nowadays, you are talking about another Qatar. You are talking about so many projects around us. We are talking about billions and billions of dollars. So this is a big challenge for us, and I hope to be the best country in the world.
How do I see the country in 2030 is difficult to answer that question. Having seen what has happened in the last 20 years, it's so difficult to predict what the country will look like in 2030. But I can promise you that it will be completely different. It will be something special.